Hello guys, my name is Angelina and today I'm going to wash my
What's that?
S-Class.
Okay.
It's my W223 S-Class and you guys are going to help me today. Also behind my Mercedes there is my two babies in the garage, my Hellcat Red Eye and my Corvette C8 Z51. And right here is another my baby, my G900 Brabus Rocket Edition. So beautiful and so wet, and this car probably will be the next one that I will wash. And here is my brother's Hyundai Elantra. And now you probably know who's the favorite child in family. So the first step is my hair. Let's fix it. Perfect. Let's start. I have to be really careful because this car has a wrap. Original color is black, now it's blue as you can see. And the pressure is too strong, so I have to be careful and don't come too close to the car because it can peel off the vinyl. And now my favorite part. Okay, it's been 7 minutes or maybe 3 minutes probably, yeah. And I'm tired. Actually, that's one of my favorite parts of owning a car you love, because I really like to wash my cars by myself. Maybe I'm not doing it perfectly, but I'm trying. Here's my little helper, my Jenny. Guys, this is my daughter. My favorite thing on earth. My favorite person, because yeah, she's a person. She's not just a dog. I'm more a dog than her. My baby! You're my baby! Come here, my baby. Oh my god, you're so cute. My little baby. Okay, Jay, you're next. I'm gonna wash you tonight. She's helping me. Okay, Jay, you can go relax. Actually, this car is my daily. It's one of my dailies because I'm dailying all of my cars
Expecto Patronum!
except the Hell Kitty, because Hell Kitty is my love of my life and I can go all day, every day with this car because I want to leave this car special. So only for weekends or special sessions. Okay, we need some more soap here on this side. Where is it? Okay, it's here. It's actually so relaxing to do this because I feel peace when I'm soaping one of my babies. This is so satisfying. Come closer. Are you ready? Oh my god. Sometimes it's difficult to have short legs, you know, or to have this long car. Yeah, this car is long, not my legs are short. And also, guys, I just realized I'm not doing much videos with this car. I don't know if you're interested in the daily, in my daily, because maybe this car is boring for you. But I can do some content with it. Just let me know what you wanna see me doing with this car. I don't want to destroy it or something, just something fun and not too fun. Okay? Last part is my favorite, booty. Just listen to this. Here. Mercedes. So now it's time for the wheels. As you can see, the wheels are black, and it's not the stock color. Stock color were chrome, and I painted them in black because I am black wheels team. And now let's see the result. Pretty good, pretty shiny. It is so satisfying. And of course, the last wheel is gonna be not the cleanest one because I'm already tired and I'm gonna wash it real quick. Okay, let's go. So now the final part is wiping. My hair is you're gonna help this wiper or how it called. This one doesn't work. Let's try this one. I'm done. Guys, tell me what car should I wash next? Maybe my Hello Kitty or Corvette or Barbie wagon or my brother's Elantra. That's it. That was pretty quick. And that's what she said. Hey guys, finally I'm done with my Mercedes-Benz and this car is finally clean. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and all my links are below, my Instagram, my TikTok. And yeah, thank you for watching and buckle up and drive safe and I'll see you soon.